This video will guide you through the setup of the Landhugger leveling option for Salford field cultivators. The Landhugger option delivers precise depth control in rolling terrain across the entire width of the machine. Its fully floating frame keeps the machine level in the field, while the tongue locks automatically in transport for safer, more stable towing. Before heading into the field, there are a few initial setup steps to complete. Adjust the front wheels so that the horizontal arm is running parallel to the ground. Also, check all tires to ensure proper inflation. Refer to the operation manual for the correct tire pressures for the tires on your machine. Finally, verify that the center frame is level side to side. Before checking this, ensure the lift cylinders are fully rephased. To do this, lift the cultivator all the way up and hold the hydraulic SCV in continuous flow for approximately 30 seconds. Once the cylinders are rephased, check that the shanks around the tires on the axle towers are at the same height compared to the ground. If they are not the same height, adjust the turnbuckles on the axle towers using the wrench adjustment tool, which is found on the hitch of the cultivator. If possible, unfold the cultivator on level ground and check that the wing depths are also level side to side. Again, ensure the lift cylinders are fully rephased before measuring the shank height. If required, adjust the axle towers for the given wing until the machine is level side to side across the entire machine. Now you can take the cultivator to the field. Once unfolded, rephase the lift cylinders and then set the depth stop to your approximate desired depth. To test this depth, lower the cultivator into the working position, drive forward approximately 30 feet, and adjust again as you see fit. Use the spinner to fine-tune your depth setting by loosening the wing nut and turning the spinner in or out. One rotation of the spinner is approximately a 1/4 inch depth adjustment. Once your desired depth is achieved, be sure to lock the wing nut and handle firmly in place. Finally, adjust the telescope turnbuckle so the top of the telescope mounting bracket is approximately halfway through its range of motion. Now, with the depth set, adjust the front caster wheels to level the machine front to back. Again, the turnbuckle wrench can be used to make these adjustments. After making an adjustment, run the cultivator for approximately 30 feet and measure that the front shanks are running the same depth as the rear shanks. Adjustments to the front caster wheels should be equal on all of the caster wheels across the machine. Continue to adjust and measure until the machine is level front to back. Once this is complete, verify that the machine is level side to side, which was set before going to the field. Adjust the axle towers if necessary, and then the Landhugger leveling process is complete. A few final notes. Normally, the axle towers should be set equally on both sides of the center section. If your settings seem significantly different, check your hydraulic cylinder lengths and always ensure your wing hydraulic folding cylinders are fully extended during field operation. Otherwise, your wing depths will be incorrect. Taking the time to properly level your Landhugger ensures a consistent field finish and optimal germination.